you're looking for a quick and easy meal idea, don't look any further than my bacon and mushroom pasta recipe. Start by cooking off your bacon, and once you've got that going, bring a large pot of water to a boil, add in some salt, and cook your pasta. Once your bacon is crispy, remove from the pan, and then cook your mushrooms. Add in the garlic and sun-dried tomatoes, stir for a couple minutes, and then add in the flour. Stir it in so it absorbs the extra liquid in the pan, and then deglaze it with the broth. Stir it until it thickens up. Add in your Dijon mustard, Worcestershire sauce, cream cheese, and stir it until the cream cheese is all melted. Add the bacon back to the pan, stir it in, and then add your pasta. Toss it in the sauce, and you're ready to serve. Garnish with fresh Parmesan and chopped parsley, and enjoy this deliciously creamy pasta. Find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.